What should you do if you forget your medications during a state emergency? With the fires in LA, I'm sure so many people may have forgotten their medications because there were definitely a lot more important things that they need to get. I'm hoping this can help anyone out who may have forgotten their medications, and then definitely save this list, like God forbid if you are in one of these emergencies. So first thing you want to do is you want to call your pharmacy. So what your pharmacy can do is actually called an emergency medication refill. They'll submit something on the back end, but then it should be able to get covered through your insurance. But say for example you use like a CVS or Walgreens and the pharmacy's closed, those pharmacies are actually all connected to each other. So say for example your Walgreens is closed because of the fires, but then you want to use another Walgreens, they can automatically just pull the prescription over. Of course though, if it is a controlled substance, you are just going to have to need a new prescription from your doctor. And also, unfortunately, if it's like an independent pharmacy, you will have to get a new prescription as well. And then of course, I always recommend utilizing disaster resources. There's resources like the American Red Cross or rxopen.org that can actually check for you which pharmacies are actually open. And then another thing, which I know there's a lot going on, but sometimes you may have to actually call your insurance in order for them to do this emergency override. So at some pharmacies it's called like an early refill or like a lost medication override, but they will have to input that in for it to be covered through your insurance. And then finally, if it's a medication that you cannot live without, for example, insulin, and your doctor's office is closed, your pharmacy is closed, you need to go to an urgent care. Most will have pharmacies there. I know there will be a wait, but you just have to let them know you are out of medication and then you need some to get you through. I hope this helps at least someone who may be scared or confused, especially with everything going on right now.